This animated diagram simulates a fraction of a second on the internet. This product is amazing. Worst purchase ever. It's okay, nothing special. People are constantly broadcasting their subjective experiences online. If you run a modern brand, those comments contain exactly what you need to know about your customers, but they arrive in batches of hundreds of thousands every single minute. No human team, regardless of their size, can read, process, and evaluate that sheer volume of raw text. To solve this human bottleneck, organizations rely on an automated system entirely designed to understand emotional tone. This layout displays the formal definition for that system: sentiment analysis. It is the process of identifying and classifying opinions or emotions expressed in text data as positive, negative, or neutral. By scanning the words we type, sentiment analysis acts as a bridge. It takes raw, unorganized human emotion and translates it directly into clear, actionable data. This animated diagram shows the core operating logic. Raw, messy text enters the processor, and neatly categorized data comes out. The algorithm organizes outputs into three primary classifications. The first is positive sentiment, capturing expressions like great product or loved it. The second is negative sentiment, catching the criticisms like worst experience or not worth it. And the third is neutral sentiment, reserved for middle-of-the-road feedback like it's okay or average product. It operates a lot like that one highly perceptive friend you have, the one who can glance at a single text message and instantly tell you exactly how angry the sender is without needing any context. Human feelings are complex, but by forcing those feelings into three strict predefined categories, organizations can finally measure human emotion at massive scale. This diagram illustrates the internal four-step pipeline that makes that measurement possible. Step 1 is data collection. The system actively ingests massive amounts of raw text from disparate sources, like Twitter, Instagram, and review sites. Step 2 is text preprocessing. The automated system cleans the incoming data by stripping away stop words and grammatical noise. Stop words are common functional words like and, the, or is, that take up space but carry no specific emotional weight. Removing them leaves only the core message. Step 3 is sentiment detection. The system scans that clean text to identify emotional weight, relying on predetermined keyword lists or machine learning models. Machine learning models are algorithms trained on massive datasets of text, allowing them to recognize complex patterns in language automatically. Step 4 is classification. The detected emotional weight dictates exactly where the comment lands, dropping the text into a positive, negative, or neutral bin. If you write "very bad product," that exact phrase is collected, stripped of any filler, scanned for negative keywords, and permanently tallied against the rating. Because this four-step pipeline operates continuously, massive corporations can track public opinion in real time and adjust their strategies the moment the mood shifts. This immediate access to public sentiment drives several major business applications, including brand monitoring, automated analysis of product reviews, and real-time customer feedback tracking. But the system has a significant blind spot. Human language is inherently messy, deeply contextual, and constantly evolving. Rigid algorithms struggle when we stop speaking literally. This split-screen illustration highlights a common failure point. A sarcastic comment like, "Wow, great job, not," contains positive keywords but a negative intent. Sentiment analysis often stumbles over sarcasm, emojis, new slang, and mixed opinions within the same sentence. As seen in this typographic layout, the easiest way to remember the core function of sentiment analysis is the PNN memory trick. It always attempts to classify text into positive, negative, or neutral. This POV shot of a laser scanner represents the reality of the modern digital landscape. Every casual review, comment, or post you leave online is actively scanned, ingested, and categorized by these systems. The algorithms are imperfect, and they still struggle with the nuances of human speech. But sentiment analysis has taken the chaotic, infinite shouting match of the internet and organized it into a readable, highly profitable map of human desire.